It worked out. It's so cute. Ah! What's up, y'all? It's Jessica and I am back with another video. I'm so excited because I really just did this like spur of the moment. But look at this cute shirt that I made, girl. So I just realized that in all my excitement, I was talking really fast and you didn't see my shirt either. Just watch to the end and you will see the shirt. My bad, y'all. Stay tuned because I'm about to show y'all how, okay? Before we get in this video, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for coming back if you are returning. Thank you for clicking my video for the first time. If this is your first time, make sure both categories of people are subscribed. Make sure you like this video, and then if you have any ideas that you want to see me DIY or you want to do it yourself, leave me a comment below. Let's chit chat about it, girlfriend. Follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I will have that link below. It's at Chessie Paid. So yeah, I don't want to prolong this intro at all. I just want to jump right into this video because this is real cute and I did it real quick. So let's do this video real quick. Alright guys, so I am jumping right into this. I did not watch any videos on how to do this or nothing like that. I'm just going off what I think is based on common sense. So yeah. Okay, so before I lay this shirt out just like this, hold on, let me do this. I put it on inside out and I hope I stay in frame. And I made some marks. Let me turn it this way. So I made a mark like along the bottom here and here where I wanted this shirt to stop at. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a little black mark. I use the eyeliner. If y'all got a, what you call that? Fabric pencil. Then use that instead. Let me make sure. So it's a little black mark here. And it's a little black mark here. And what I'm gonna do is, wait, I need to make my marks a little bit more noticeable. And then I also made two marks. I really hope y'all can see this. I'm gonna try to back it up a little bit. I also made two marks right here where my nipple would like start to show, because I want to make sure I'm avoiding cutting right there at all costs, okay? And this is the front of the shirt that I marked on inside out. It's just a little tank I got from Target, okay? So I'm just making my mark a little more noticeable. Like I said, if you got a fabric pencil, then you know you ain't gotta be ratchet like me. Okay, so I'm really bad at cutting straight lines. So this is a hot comb. I got it from the beauty supply store the other day. I haven't opened it yet because my wig's still not here, bro. Oh my gosh. So y'all, this video was totally spur of the moment because my wig was supposed to be here. I'm sorry for this brief story time, but yeah. I wish it was here, but I'm also glad that I get to do this project because the shirts be looking real cute. So yeah. So I got my straight edge, hot comb, straightening comb, okay? And I'm gonna just use my eyeliner to do my line straight across. I got my line straight across. It's kind of raggedy, but it's okay. First of all, this is the inside of the shirt, so it's not gonna show, and it's gonna wash off. This is not waterproof eyeliner, okay? So next thing I'm gonna do is figure out like my cut design, and I sleep wanted to look like a yin and yang type of thing. I think I would want it a little more over to this side. So when I'm cutting, I'm gonna just cut to the side of this line. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Got my scissors, and I'm going to, for this part, I'm gonna make sure I'm cutting the whole entire shirt. So like the seam, cutting it so I can cut off this bottom half of the shirt completely. Got the half of shirt. Now I'm only gonna make sure I'm cutting this top flap. So, and I said I'm gonna cut to the side of this line. So, okay. Ooh, please just cut the top. So it's easy enough cutting just one layer. And I'm kind of following my little curve here. Can y'all see this clearly? See what I'm doing? Following my little curve. Oh, as soon as I picked it up, I messed it up. It's okay, y'all. We're gonna fix this. This is gonna come out good. I'm gonna tell myself there's no way you can mess this up, okay? Do I cut this part? Yeah, let's cut it. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is line it back up. I don't like these jagged pieces that I got right there, so I'm gonna try to clean that up a little bit. Or maybe, ooh, because I wanna make sure I keep it tight. So maybe I need to cut out a whole piece of fabric. Just like, I need to cut this again and just go like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. We gonna see. I mean, I could get another tank top if it doesn't work out. But I just got this idea because I don't want it to be too loose. I got this top in an extra small, but y'all know Target clothes, they could fit loose but still be kind of slouchy. And this way, it'll help me clean up my little curves here. Okay. Ooh, I like that cut way better. Do I want to do a little bit on this side too? I think so. Why not? What the heck? As long as I'm not getting near my nipple line, I should be okay, right? Let me move over some. I don't want to be in the camera because I'm not dressed yet. I'm waiting for my shirt to be made before I get dressed. Okay, so I have cut out, like, put this together. That's how much fabric I cut out of the middle. So like 2 inches, give or take. Okay, I'm gonna just flip my shirt to where it would technically be right side up, or not inside out anymore. There go the tag now. First y'all couldn't see the tag because it was inside out. Okay, hope that makes sense. Now I am just lining my shirt back up. Okay, cute little S curve. Okay, so I got these big safety pins, and I also got these medium-sized ones, and I have some that are even smaller, but I don't know if I want to use those. Maybe I do. Hold on. I got this whole pack from Target, 200 of these. I didn't need this many, but this was all they had left. Y'all probably been in Target already buying all the small packs. So it's got a lot of different sizes here. They're like the same size. All right, so I think I want to use a combination of these and these. This is what I want to use. So let's see how this go, y'all. Let's see how this go. Cause my curve is like smaller in some spots than it is in other spots. Like right here is kind of a small separation. So, boop. So then I guess you just stab it through and pin it back together. Oh, and the pin, of course, brings the fabric back together a little bit too. So it's probably still gonna be kind of tight. Okay. So I'm gonna do, I did a little one. I'm gonna do another little one. So 3 small ones. So 1 I already got in. I'm gonna space this about, I don't know, what is this, like a 1/2 inch below it. question for all y'all out there, okay? Please comment below to let me know what you think I'm gonna do when it comes to washing care. Like, what should I do? Should I hand wash this? Should I take all of the pins out then wash it? Nah, I ain't putting all of these back in though. Or should I just put it in the washing machine with the pins? But are the pins gonna rust? I think I need another big one right there. I don't know. Y'all please leave me a comment. Somebody please let me know how I should care for my new garment. Awesome, y'all. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, let's try it out and see what it looks like. I just had to get like a vlog. Look at my home girl. This is my home girl and this is my pet. Okay, anyways, I just wanted to get like a vlog type of view for you guys so y'all can see. Ignore my packages, okay? Okay, don't judge me. I've been ordering stuff, but y'all, it worked out. It's so cute. Ah! Alright guys, I hope that was short and to the point enough. I love this shirt so much. I'm about to get ready to go take a ton of Instagram pictures, okay? I'm about to look super cute. I'm about to take some thumbnail pictures. Yeah, I'm about to get it popping. Thank you guys again for watching. Please make sure you are subscribed. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. Oh, excuse me. Am I okay? Are you good? You good? I'm good. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.